Well, that was uneventful. So, hey guys, it's Rick with Rick's Toy Room, and we are going to do a very impromptu, quick unboxing video. So, just got home. I went a little shopping, decided screw it, I was making cookies this week. So, I've got the gingerbread cookie dough, chilling in the fridge. And I figured while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to unbox a whole stack of Funkos that came in this week. And then next week on Wednesday is going to be the huge diamond unboxing. There's tons of action figures. I told you guys that in the last video. So let's get into this. Now, some of this stuff is actually kind of already sold. I'm going to reach out to the buyers to see if they are still interested. And if not, it will be on the website. And if they are, well, great. All right, so first up, the FYE box. This should be the Comic-Con, LA Comic-Con Hush Batman. So, if all goes well, so I'm not super pleased with the way that they ship these things. A couple pieces of foam and then kind of just rolled the figure in it. Now, I get it. Not everybody can do, the Funko mailers, etc., etc., etc. But it would be nice if they tried, right? I think Funko should make a required packing for their product. So, here it is. It is the Comic-Con Hush Batman. This is the WinterCon exclusive. This is actually pretty damn sick. There she is. Box is a little bit of a ding right there, but not terrible. I'll throw it in a Protect. She'll be nice and safe. But up close and personal, there she go. That one's actually really cool. I bought that honestly not for me, but for one of my customers. He lives out in Hawaii, and I figured he'd probably miss the drop, so I picked it up for him. And then if he decides he doesn't want it, I'll throw it up on the website. All right, next is the Funko shipment. So this little exclusive actually did not come from Funko, but it was a deal with Funko. So if you were watching any of my posts talking about latest drops last week, we talked about this one. This is the eBay. See, now this is how you ship. These actually came directly from Funko, which is interesting. But this is the eBay exclusive Michael Jordan. This is the Slam Dunk Michael Jordan. This is number 149. This was the shared exclusive Funko and eBay. Now, I'm normally not collecting the Funko Jordans, but at the same token, I already have I have the graded one from Upper Deck. That's their name. So might as well grab this one. I will have that one on the website. They're still, I think, available. I think through eBay they've been sold out, but from other sellers you can still buy them. This box is the interesting one. So this box actually, and it looks like they have some Sinister 6 restocks on Funko.com, by the way. That just came across the wire. So this box, depending on where you live, you've already seen these. You may already have bought them, or you may not have. But this was a pretty good Target screw-up. So this is an exclusive movie scenes 2-pack. Now, they only had a couple bubbles in there, and they're like triple packed, but you can see that corner's all smushed in. Let's hope that the Funkos inside are in better condition. UPS has done way worse to that. Okay, so this box is the Obi-Wan TV series, Obi-Wan versus OC. Yeah, I like that. Target knows how to pack some Funkos. They get tired of returning them. This was Obi-Wan versus Darth Vader from the Obi-Wan TV show, the Target exclusive. And this particular 2-pack, here's what's super interesting about this. So when this was originally listed, it was listed at like $30 per 2-pack. Target actually has them on sale right now for $24 now that they've been released. Not bad condition. And what had happened was Target screwed up and put these on sale for the price of a regular pop. So when they first launched, obviously the website was really busy, people trying to buy them, but they were mispriced. So I was able to get them for essentially half off, which means there's really not going to be any markup on these because I'm going to list them at retail. So there we go. Which makes it good for everybody, right? Because not only do I still make a little bit of profit, but you don't pay more than retail for shopping with a small business, and everybody wins. Okay, that's a bad spot for that. Okay, so that was our Funko unboxing. I told you it was going to be a really short video. Just a small amount of Funkos came in today. I'm going to add the Obi-Wans and Michael Jordan up to the website, and then I'm going to see if my boy wants Hush still. If he does, then I will ship it out to him. If he does not, it will go on the website as well. But that's it for today. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm going to take some time and do our next training video to have that posted on YouTube. Hopefully tomorrow. Based on what I plan to do with that video, it's going to take a little bit longer to do some edits with it. So that's coming. Be ready. That video is going to be the really cool one. Well, they're all really cool to me, but it's going to be the one that really shows you how to like price stuff while you're out and about. Like, hey, you're going to go buy something. Is it worth the price? Are you being overcharged by another dealer? Or, you know, if you're out at a flea market, are you, is the guy trying to get you for more than it's really worth? Are you paying too much in auction? So are you on Macari and you're like, oh, well, I want to buy this. That's the video we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to check prices. I'm going to show you how some of the major players and most dealers price their products. And we'll do some cool walkthrough videos, tutorials, stuff like that. So with that, guys, again, thanks a lot for hanging out. And for those of you that are following, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, all the fun things. You know the drill. And we will get back to you on the next video. Thanks, guys.